Good morning and welcome to Will on Safety. Today I thought we would talk about something that's pretty close to my heart, and it's something that hopefully I'm going to be rolling out throughout the businesses I support, and that is sort of leading indicators and how to really identify what those leading indicators are, put decent corrective actions in to stop those leading indicators, things like unsafe acts, unsafe conditions, becoming near misses, which then have the potential to become minor, intermediary and sort of serious accidents. Okay, so what I'd like you to think about is, let's try and identify those things that aren't near misses. So before the point of a near miss, things like those unsafe acts, unsafe conditions. How can we do that then? Well, I use something called zone auditing, but health and safety walk-rounds is effectively what we mean. I use zone audit because you're not walking around the entire facility, okay? You'll split the facility down into zones, and then you'll do a bit of a safety inspection on that particular zone. That could be like office spaces, engineering, maintenance, whatever it might be. What we're trying to identify really are those unsafe conditions. Is racking bolted to the floor? Are walkways, for example, blocked, or are they being well managed? Is guarding missing from machinery? These types of unsafe conditions we should identify in the same way as we do a near miss. We should also carry out a sort of root cause analysis of why it is in the way it is. If we do a root cause analysis on those unsafe conditions, that's going to enable us to put in corrective actions to stop any reoccurrence. If it's poor housekeeping, has that raw materials or finished goods got a place to go? Is there a place to store it? If it's guarding's missing or broken, for example, have we got pre-use checks on machines, for example? Putting these types of corrective actions in and getting to the root cause of the unsafe conditions is going to enable us to stop these issues at source. That ultimately then is going to bring down the number of near misses, which is ultimately going to bring down the number of accidents and incidents. But it's really important that we try and get to the root cause of our unsafe conditions, okay? And that really is a nice proactive thing to do. That's going to drive accidents, near misses and everything else down. I hope that makes sense to you. Like I say, the sort of leading indicators is a better thing to concentrate on when it comes to KPIs and metrics. And if we can identify those leading indicators at the earliest opportunity, that's just going to bring everything else down and keep our partners a lot safer. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you hit a like and subscribe. And remember, folks, until next time, stay safe by choice and not by chance. Bye for now.